So on the Google Classroom, I uploaded a new version of this. You can download it because I changed it for today, okay? So today, we're gonna have a review of the print statements we saw last week, system.out.println, etc. We're gonna relook at access levels, literals, primitive data types, methods, and variables. And I have a lot of examples we'll work on today, okay? Okay, so last week we saw this basic command, right? We used it hundreds of times already. It just prints out a line. Even if you do these two, it'll be on two different lines. And if you print out an empty one, it'll be blank line, remember? Right. Okay? And we also saw that one string can be formed in many different ways, right? You can have each one as one string and add them together, but in the end, the output will be the same, right? Okay, and then we also saw system.out.print, which is different because there's no line break, remember? If this was ln and ln, it would be on different lines. Right now, it doesn't create a line break. We saw that last week. You could check the slides again. And we also did a lot of operations, right? So we know that if we just put numbers on an operation, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, or anything like that, we can print it out. There's no problem. But remember, it's really important to do the parentheses, right? Like we saw here, we want to print out the same answer, right? 61. But if we print it like this, it'll print, it's okay, don't worry. It'll print 5 and then 56. But if we want to do the math first, right, we have to put it in parentheses, like here, and then we get the correct answer. So when you're doing math in Java, always make sure to have the right parentheses. Double check, triple check, because if not, you can get a completely different answer here. Okay? Right. So we also saw several different commands you can use to change the text. Here, like we saw last week, if you put a /n, it'll make the rest go to the new line, right? And here too. We also saw /t, it'll move it. Like if you press tab on your keyboard, right? T-A-B, tab. It's the same function, right? So we added the /t's here, and we shifted the string, okay? And finally, last week we saw /b, which is like you press the backspace, you know, the arrow going that way. It just removes the space, okay?